Need to share your Facebook profile link? I'll show you how to copy it on a PC in under a minute. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your computer, Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. In the address bar type facebook.com and press enter to go to Facebook's homepage. If you're not signed in, enter your email and password, then click Login. Once signed in, click your profile picture or name in the top navigation bar. Give the profile page a moment to fully load so the URL reflects your profile. Now click once in the browser's address bar to highlight the entire profile URL. Right-click the highlighted link and select Copy from the context menu. Alternatively, press Ctrl and C together to copy the link to your clipboard. To confirm, open a text editor or message box and press Ctrl and V to paste the link. You'll see the full Facebook profile URL, that's the link you can share with others. That's it. Quick, simple, and done. Paste and share your profile link wherever you need.